So I'm dreaming up my next special treat. And I'm imagining something like a coffee cake married to a strawberry muffin, or imagine maybe a strawberry streusel married to a vanilla cake.
Then you would get this cheery and satisfying strawberry crumble cake. Simple and predictable ingredients for the cake, and then we'll add some extra layers to make it special. Flour, baking powder, and salt go into a bowl and get a quick mix with a spoon, and then set it aside. In a small mixing bowl, you're going to mix more flour and sugar. Mix that well with a spoon, and then add a little bit of melted butter and stir that around again. This is how we're going to make the crumble topping that we're going to use later. A little more butter is added and more stirring. Keep that going until there are no more dry spots and it starts to create crumbles like damp sand, and then set that aside. Now a large mixing bowl. The butter and granulated sugar get creamed together with a hand mixer. The eggs are added and combined as well as possible. The half and half and vanilla go in and get a quick mix to combine them as well. Then the flour mixture goes into the wet ingredients and the hand mixer brings the batter together beautifully in just a few seconds. Generously grease the baking dish with cooking spray, butter, or cooking oil, and then pour the batter in and spread it out evenly from side to side and corner to corner. And now scatter the beautiful ripe strawberries on top. Now it's time to sprinkle on the crumble topping and be generous with it. There's no need to save any for something else. This is where you want that buttery, crispy deliciousness. Pop it in the oven at 425 degrees just for the first 15 minutes and set a timer. This will quickly heat and activate the baking powder to help give the cake lift and overpower the weight of the berries. Then turn the heat down to 350 degrees and continue baking until it's beautifully crisp and browned on top without a jiggly center. While this gorgeous cake cools for a few minutes, slowly combine the water or milk with powdered sugar. This creates a glaze. And once you can stir it and it makes pretty ribbons like this, drizzle it on the cooled cake. Cut out a piece, and of course, dig in.
So there we got it. No more imagination needed, but a cup of tea to go along with it might be nice.
You can find this recipe for strawberry crumble cake and many more recipes at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.